This is a Brooks Brothers trailer, refurbished completely, head to toe in 2019 with all new axles, paint, wiring, everything. Everything on it works, all the lights work. It's 25 feet long. It's got 2 shelves, 2 side ramps, extra heavy duty axles with 17.5-inch wheels. Comes with a spare tire and a pintle ring. Also has pallet fork carriers on the driver's side. We'll go through and test all the lights next. Okay, we're going to test the brakes. Brakes hit. Okay, let's check the back. Tail lights, left, right, brakes, looks good.